Dabbercats.
Hello mga Dabbercats, andito na naman po ako manggugulo sa inyo. At sana po nagugulo kayo.
Maglalaro tayo ngayon, Alden, ah.
Ano maglalaro naman?
Hindi, question and answer, have you ever?
Okay, go.
Okay, have you ever fallen asleep at work or at school?
Yes.
Have you ever felt like dying from embarrassment?
Yes!
Have you ever fallen down in public?
Yes!
Kailan yung pinakahuli?
Nung graduation ko ng high school. Ay hindi, actually madalas mahilig ako sa patid eh.
Okay. Have you ever done something you told yourself you wouldn't do?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever sung in the shower?
Yes?
Kailan yung huli?
3 weeks ago?
Anong kanta? Patandaan mo pa.
Worship song eh.
O, sige. Have you ever played a prank on someone?
Yes, always. Ayan oh.
Sino?
Ayan. Ayan.
Have you ever gone to a late night movie?
Yes.
Okay.
Ay,
Okay. Have you ever screamed during a scary movie?
yes.
Have you ever danced in front of your mirror?
Yes.
Paano sayaw? Paano yung sayaw? Roll.
Kanan.
Have you ever kissed a picture?
No.
Have you ever been dumped?
Yes. Patingin ng dump? Hindi, joke lang.
Have you ever had... Okay.
Ano?
Have you ever had feelings for someone who didn't have them?
Yes.
Masakit?
Yes.
Patingin ng sakit. Have you ever been in love?
Yes.
Have you ever loved someone or miss someone right now?
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo,